A very warm good morning to all the wonderful students present today. Now we are going to discuss the 14th chapter of science, electric current and its effects. Electricity is an important source of energy in the modern times. Electricity is used in our homes, in industry and in transport. What is electric current? The flow of electricity through a conductor is called electric current. Symbols of electric components: electric cell, electric bulb, switch in off position, switch in on position, battery, and wire. Next is electric circuit, a continuous conducting path between the terminals of a cell or battery in which electric current flows is called an electric circuit. A simple electric circuit. A simple electric circuit can be made by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and wires. The bulb glows only when the switch is in the on position and the circuit is closed. Here there are two types of electric circuits: closed electric circuit and open electric circuit. In closed electric circuit, the switch is in on position and the current flows through the circuit and the bulb glows. But in open electric circuit, the switch is in off position, which means that the current does not flow through the circuit and the bulb doesn't glows. Effects of electric current: heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire like nichrome wire, the resistance wire becomes hot and produces heat. This is called heating effect of electric current. The heating effect of electric current is used in electrical appliances like electric heater, electric iron, electric room heater, immersion heater, electric kettle, hair dryer, etc. This is a figure of an electric heater. When electricity passes through the electric heater, the coil becomes hot. That is, the coil becomes red hot when current flows through it. This coil is also known as element. Electric bulb works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. An electric bulb has a filament inside it and it is made up of a metal called tungsten. When electricity is passed through it, this filament gets white hot and emits light. This bulb is also known as incandescent lamps. Safety fuse. It works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. Electric fuse is a safety device used in electrical circuits which protects the electrical circuits and appliances and prevents fires. Electrical fuse is used in all electrical circuits in buildings. Electric fuse has a wire which melts quickly and breaks when large electric current flows through it. The reasons for excessive currents in electrical circuits is due to short circuiting and overloading. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on its material, length and thickness. Thus, for different requirements, the wires of different materials and different lengths and thickness are used. Is MCB, miniature circuit breaker. These days, miniature circuit breakers are increasingly being used in place of fuses. These are switches which automatically turn off when current in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. So, miniature circuit breakers are used in place of fuses. And MCBs works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. MCB works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. It was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. Consider this circuit. In the circuit, there is a compass needle nearby. When electricity passes through the circuit, the compass needle deflects, which means that from electricity we can produce magnetism. This effect is called magnetic effect of electric current. From electricity we can produce magnetism, and this effect is called magnetic effect of electric current. Electromagnet. In this figure, it is an electromagnet. The coil in this figure behaves like a magnet when electric current flows through it. When the electric current is switched off, the coil generally loses its magnetism. Such coils are called electromagnets. When electric current flows through it, it behaves like a magnet. When the electric current is switched off, the coil loses its magnetism. Such coils are called electromagnets. Of electromagnets. The electromagnets can be made very strong and can lift very heavy loads. The electromagnets are also used to separate magnetic material from the junk. Doctors use tiny electromagnets to take out small pieces of magnetic material that have accidentally fallen in the eye. And many toys also have electromagnets inside them. Electric bell. Electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. Electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. In the circuit, when the switch is in on position, the circuit is complete and the current flows through the circuit. Then the coil becomes an electromagnet and it behaves like a magnet. Then this electromagnet attracts the soft iron strip. At that time, the hammer strikes on the bell, and at that time we heard the sound. So electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. Thus we completed our 14th chapter. All of you study well. Thank you all.